Welcome to Vogue with me, dips and floor performance. This is our last video of our voguing session. So here we go. So this is going to start out with a circle. We're making a large circle and we're bending our knees. So reaching with our hands around a large circle and bending our knees at the same time. And then we're going to do a horizontal circle. This is going to move us around, and we're going to lead with one hand. So here we are with one circle, and then we make a horizontal circle, leading with this hand, which this is my left hand actually. So you can use any hand for this circle, but for me, I'm using my left hand, and then I lead with my left hand to make a circle, and then that hand is leading to the floor. Again, 1, 2 circles, 1 circle to the floor is going to be what we're going to do. The dip is to a floor. So again, 1, 2, 3 around, and here we go to the floor. That's our 4. So going into the ground is a little bit complicated, but it's not that hard if we take our time. So we reach with our hand and we make a circle into the ground. And here you can see I have one leg in front and one leg behind, and my back hand is supporting me. So here I am in a dip to reach back with my head. I can use the other hand if I need to support me if I'm not really stapled there yet. So again, with my front hand, I'm going to reach behind my body and get into that position, that awkward position, which is like 4th position, or just one leg in front and one leg in back. And I'm reaching back with my foot and reaching forward with my other foot, and I'll reach my hands to support me. There's my dip. Now if you look from the other side, you can see my hand that's stabilizing me. So when I'm sitting down, that hand that's stabilizing me is sliding on the floor. It's giving me that tension that I need so I don't hurt myself. I just kind of slip and lay back. Sitting and lay back. Now floor performance to the standing. So now that we're here, we're going to go into our dip, and then I'm going to take that top leg, which is that back leg, that top leg, that leg is the most forward, on top of the other. So I slide it in, and from here I'm going to open and lead. The other leg's going to follow in a fan kick. And we can just go back and forth if we need to practice. But it's that top leg that goes into the other knee, and I'm opening in the fan kick to there, to the other knee. And then I go sit down. But it's that hip that I was sitting on. See, I'm sitting on that hip. It's that hip that I was sitting on that leads forward. It's going to also bring that knee up. So that same knee, I push on that knee, and there I am in standing. So let's go ahead and do the dips to the floor performance. So here we go. We do our 2 circles. Remember? We get ready and we go 1 and 2. Turn around. 3 and 4. Reach with our hand. 5, 6, and 7. Here we go all the way back. 8. Bring forward that top leg. 1, 2. Open up. 3, 4. Bring ourselves to all 4s. 5, 6. Bring that leg up. 7. Push. And 8. That's it with counts. So let's do it again, just talking it through. So I'm going to make those 2 circles. 1 circle, 2nd circle. Stop, horizontal, turn myself around. As I turn myself around, I leave with that hand. That hand reaches behind me. I'm sitting, and then I reach back into that dip. There I am back in that position. Bring that knee forward. Bring it forward all the way around. Fan kick, and I go to all 4s. From all 4s, I leave with that knee, and I push up, and I am on standing. So let's do the whole phrase by itself. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There it is, our full phrase. So if we're going to do our full Vogue performance, since we have the time to do it, we're going to start with our figure 8. Alright, our figure 8. And then we do our little spin. So from our previous videos, this is where we end. We're going to combine everything here to our spin. Then we do our catwalk, moving forward, and walk back with our little step backwards. To our duck walk, where we have plenty of bouncing, moving our hands with that, we stand. From the stand, we make our 2 circles, and then we make a circle around to get ourselves to that dip. Boom! Then that top leg is going to go over. We're going to make that full fan kick to all 4s. Bring that other leg forward and step up. Here we go. That's our full phrase. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Catwalk 1, 2, 3, 4, and back. 6, 7, 8. Duckwalk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Turn around. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. There we are, and standing and done. Thank you so much for voguing with me. If you would like, please repeat this video so that you can practice this last part and the full phrase. Thank you again for voguing with me. I hope you had a good time and you learned something fun and new. And hopefully I'll see you later on the runway.